Loans. Contact us at 855-956-4040. Today we're going to talk about maximum loan to value for VA loans. So let's get after it. All right, so we get this question a lot. What's my maximum loan to value on a VA home loan? And I love that question because it's an easy one to answer. Your maximum loan to value is 100%. So, whatever your home is valued at, if it's whether it's a purchase or a refinance, you can use 100% of that equity. So, let's take a look at how this works on the purchase side before we get into the refi. On the purchase side, that means that you're not going to have to pay anything, any kind of down payment. All right, at all, no down payment requirement at all. If you're fully eligible for the VA home loan, of course, you can always call us at 855-956-4040 just to check your eligibility. We'll be more than happy to do that for you. But your maximum loan to value means that of 100% means you're not going to have to put any money down. It makes your life so much easier. It makes it so much simpler. And it makes our life so much simpler also because we don't have to source, season any of that kind of money for the down payment. Okay, so now let's take and one other key thing on this. The reason typically on most home loans, whether it be FHA, USDA, or conventional loans, you have a mortgage insurance premium factor. Okay. Now, on conventional loans, you have to put 20% down, or you're going to have that mortgage insurance premium, which could be upwards of, depending on the loan size, your credit, things like that, it could be upwards of $200-$300 a month. On FHA, no matter how much money you put down, you will have some factor of a mortgage or of mortgage insurance that you're going to pay on that loan. And then USDA, of course, is a 100% loan, doesn't cost or have any money down either, but it does have a monthly mortgage insurance factor. The VA is the only one that doesn't, which was what makes the VA loan the best loan that's out there. All right. So again, no money down requirements on any kind of purchase. But let's talk about refi. With a refi, that's one of the cool things about the VA loan. It allows you to access 100% of the equity in your home. So let's say back in 2020, at the beginning of 2020, or even 2019, that'll be a little bit more fun. So 2019, you bought a home and it was $300,000. Well, then 2020 happened and rates dropped and all this stuff went on and people were buying houses left and right. Now there's no property left on the market anyway. So values have gone up. So let's say that $300,000 house is now worth $450,000, which oddly enough is not out of the realm of what houses or how equity has gone up. You can access 100% of that equity to pay off debt, to set money in the bank, to do whatever you want with. Take a vacation. It doesn't matter. Super fund your 401k, buy stocks. NVIDIA is not a bad one, but you can do whatever you want with that money. All right. It makes it nice to where you can access 100% of the equity in your home. And VA is the only loan that allows that. No other loans allow that. There is nothing else out there on the market that allows for that at all. The highest you can go up to, I think, is 80% on most loans. So take advantage of it on this one. So to answer the question, the VA loan limits or loan to value limit is 100%. Give us a call, 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists will be happy to answer these questions for you, go through it, and maybe even see what you can do with the equity that you have, whether it be paying off debt, buying a car, paying cash for it, and not having to worry about the car loans and all that kind of stuff. You can do all that right with the VA refinance loan and accessing 100% of your equity. Now, if you're proactive again, like I am, go to nationalapplynow.com, fill out a mortgage application, and one of our VA specialists will give you a call immediately once they get that application to go through the different options that you have and what's available to you. It's usually the best way to get the quick information that you're looking for in order to know exactly what your situation will demand. Of course, to stay up to date with all the current information for the VA home loan, check us out at youtube.com/National VA Loans. We have all the information on there. And we try to put out as many videos as possible. But like I've always said, the best way to contact us is 855-956-4040. That is how I know we'll be there to answer the phone for you and answer any questions you might have. Guys, until next time, thank you for your service. Thank you for everything you've done for us, and God bless.